Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. We are doing an unboxing on our new Coleman outdoor camp table. We are doing what is called, we just got this out of the box. As you can see it, this is our new Coleman camp table. We're going to be using this for doing a staycationing segment on enjoying your porch. This is just stage one. We're going to do a putting together of it. We're going to be showing you how to put it together and how to use it properly. It is a little bit cumbersome to do with one hand, but I'm going to show you all. I'm going to take it out of the, I'm going to be doing more than just, this is just video one on this camp table.